Hello and welcome to part 6 of our van build series. In this part we are covering our Maxxair fan and Skylight installation. We started off by making a wooden frame for the Maxxair fan. We just measured out around the template to give us the size we needed and then screwed them all together. We then measured our roof to find the exact position of where we wanted the fan to sit. Once we were happy, we drew the lines out and went around the area with masking tape. Using a jigsaw with a metal blade, we cut out the hole. After that, we went around the metal edge with some white paint. While we waited for the paint to dry, we drilled out the pre-made holes that were in the flange so it was ready to be screwed into the roof. We also covered the area of where the fan would sit with mastic tape. This gave the fan a flat area to sit on. We then set the flange in place and then drilled through the holes into the wooden frame that we had made earlier. All that was left to do was to secure the fan to the flange. To do this, it was just 2 screws on either side of the fan. Next up was our skylight. We started with making a cardboard template so we could position this in the van and then mark out where we wanted it to go. Then it was just the same process as before. We cut holes into the roof and then stuck the jigsaw through and cut out the area. This was slightly more difficult because of the rounded corners. Once the hole was cut, we set the skylight into place to make sure it fit. We were initially going to use a wooden frame just like the fan, but because of the awkward sized edges of the skylight, we just used nuts and bolts to secure it into the roof. Once it was secured in place, we used Sikaflex around the outer edge of the skylight to make sure it was watertight. We did this too with the outer edge of the Maxxair fan and also the screws that were holding it in place. This is the final result. Come back for part 7.